Hey guys, we are now here in Jurassic Park, Balay ni Tatay. Yel. Hi. Oh.
We are here in the farm of Balay ni Tatay
Uh,
in Babatngon.
Look at the mountain here. Balay ni Tita Inday. Farm Resort. Huh? Are you sure? Is that piranha? That's dangerous. Where is piranha?
Wait, si Mar, wala po na para pag going up. Kaya di man na siya ka-go up dito.
Kumukuan ba na mag-dehon ni kuan lang niya. Tilapia.
Put some there and then I'll hoist them in.
Huh?
No, wrong place.
Apil na.
No, in guy, over there.
Yes.
So for the net, I want to lift the net too. So
Okay.
get them over there. Frankie, why don't you lift the net your side?
Yeah.
In guy, see them just over there.
This one. Ano?
Yeah.
Okay. Lift.
Right, lift in the net. Frankie,
Yeah.
lift the net, Frankie.
This one?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, over there, Frankie. See the corner there, Frankie.
Yeah.
Okay, other corner. Look.
That's tilapia.
At the bottom of the bridge there.
This one? Pull it now.
Lift. The tilapia.
Catch.
They drop. Okay, put it back. There you go.
We are now in Balay ni Tatay.
Frankie, you've got your light on.
Yeah?
You've got your light on the camera.
Light.
You don't need the light on.
Yeah.
It's not going to work out. For a mountain climb, Frankie.
Yeah. I want to.
Don't throw them all up. Let's have another go with the net. We'll have the net all ready. In, and then we'll pull the net up.
We're already done with the net.
Yeah, we can do it again, can't we?
Okay, I'll do and again. Feed.
There you go. Okay, pull the net.
Yeah, lot of fish. this genuine wood. Very long. It's a big tree here, or genuine wood.
Aligi, abi diri oy.
Sure ka, ti? Taas mo yan kayo, ti.
Ha?
Taas kayo.
Okay ra oy.
Na, nagkamursiko naman ng
Ah, dito na natukuanan sa balay oy. Balay ni Klina. Dili balay ni tatay.
Balay ni nanay.
Oh, hello guys.
Mountain. Balay ni tatay.
Here is Jurassic
Babatngon,
Park.
Leyte.
Oh, anak ko dire. Anak ko dire.
Ari ka dire.
Ingana ka gabay ka sa lipdan ang tubo.
Hoy, di na ka rin.
Ang naog ani. We.
Nagkikipaat lang mo eh. Assess na.
Kaya na siya. Makita na video kung matikayhang. De, ligon pa ng tilten day. Oh, dia pwede oh. Mm. Missing na si Tiri.
Di na lang kumukuan.
Walking by faith, not by sight, guided by His endless light. Every shadow fades away as we trust in You today. Walking by faith, not by sight, guided by His endless light. Every shadow fades away as we trust in You today. Mountains high and valleys low, paths we travel start to show. In His love we surely grow, feeling peace within our soul. Walking by faith, not by sight, guided by His endless. Walking by faith, not by sight, guided by His endless light. Every shadow fades away as we trust in You today. Walking by faith, not by sight, guided by His endless light. Every shadow fades away as we trust in You today. Mountains high and valleys low, paths we travel start to show. In His love we surely grow, feeling peace within our soul. Walking by faith, not by sight, guided by His endless love.
Giant nest.
Magkuan ba? Oh,
A few moments later.
Wow, daan naman lagi ni. Daghang
Kuy.
We will celebrate my 16th birthday on Saturday. Simple birthday.
Okay.